Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to keep your not your TCL, your JSW, I should say, TV running optimally. Alright, and it's with this app known as TV Assistant. Let me show you to find it. Alright guys, so in case you do not know where to find the TV Assistant, it's the cleaning app that will optimize your TV in terms of keeping it running smoothly. Alright, so this will keep your TV running very fast or smoothly. So if it's slowing down, you can actually fix the TV by improving its performance. So go to TV Assist, it's right there. It's for cleaning. And of course you can see the version I'm running. And of course you can go ahead and you have options. You can optimize. It allows for app install differently. You can do network speed tests. You can network test. You can deep clean. All right, so it's up to you. Optimize means to run through a bunch of tests in case you're not sure what to do. So it optimize to optimize. I'm going to do it on this. So notice it's optimizing. All right, there you go. It's freeing up memory. All right, so it says 6% more memory. For example, if all of the memory is being used, the TV is going to be extremely slow. If all of the storage is used up as well, TV is going to be slow. You can do deep clean. All right, so there you go. It's showing you what can be selected, and you can go ahead and move through the options such as cache, garbage. You can remove that. Application data, user files. All right, so otherwise you can skip the deep clean. You can do a network test, speed test, network test to see what's happening, diagnose problems, speed test to check the speed, app install. You can clean APKs, and of course you can see which apps are auto starting, and then of course remove them in case something you installed is automatically starting up. All right, by removing auto startup apps, the TV will load much faster. Sorry, so if you use that, you'll significantly speed up your TV, and of course everything will work way better. All right, do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.